Hi everyone, this is Pam from Jesus Junk Journals, and today I was wanting to show you my Christmas kits that I have. I have a kit on Etsy and on my website, which is JesusJunkJournals.com. On Etsy, my shop is called Jesus Junk Journals, and so I have a set of Christmas pages for you to work with. I also have some ribbon sliders that are Christmas, and I actually have 2 sets of those, and I have a set of journal cards that feature the story or poem "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." So I know a lot of you are doing daily December or December daily journals where you keep track of the whole month of December, and some of you are doing gifts, and some of you are just doing them just to be having some Christmas cheer and having fun and getting in the mood of Christmas. So anyway, they're out there. If they can help you with what you're working on, I would love it. So I'll show you what we got. Hi there. I'm going to show you what I've put in my shop for Christmas so far. My shop on Etsy is called Jesus Junk Journals. And if you look that up, these are the latest things. I've got, this one is called Vintage Christmas Music and More. You get 8 hymns, Christmas hymns. So, God Rest You Merry Gentlemen, The First Noel, Hark the Herald Angels Sing, Joy to the World, O Little Town of Bethlehem, O come, Emmanuel, O come, all you faithful, and It Came Upon a Midnight Clear. And so you could use those as spreads in your journals, or you could cut them up and use them to do different things with. These are 2 pages of Christmas ribbon sliders using these same hymns. So just phrases from them. So, let every heart prepare him room, glory to the newborn King, joy to the world, things like that. So these again, like here's a ribbon slider that I made with some gauze. You cut these slits with an X-Acto knife and just thread your fabric or your ribbon through them. I've got one here with gold ribbon through it. These are from another kit, but that way you can see kind of how they look. And then in the same kit, I have one designed page that has the hymns with, I did some distressing, and then I collaged in these poinsettias. So you can use those for your Christmas journal. And then, it's kind of random, I found this magazine, this old 1924 magazine the other day at a flea market. So I scanned the covering because I just thought it was beautiful. The graphic is just gorgeous. 1924, so I reduced it down. It was actually a great big, and this could be made into a cover for a journal for Christmas. And then I reduced it and just did an extra couple ones in different sizes so you could use it however size you wanted it. So that's all in that one set. Then I have another set that's called "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." And I did the whole story on journal cards in 2 different styles. I've got the white background. I've got the ones on vintage paper. So it's the whole story. It took 28 cards for the whole story. And then I also had 4 extra cards that are just blank that you can write on if you want to. So those are out there if you like that poem and you want to do a journal on that. And then I have a set of journal papers for a Christmas journal. So I have this one, which has this vintage Christmas seal on it. Best Christmas wishes, it says. And kind of the garland of holly and some old vintage paper. And then this one has the botanical holly, the children's carol, which is a vintage piece of music. I have a candy stripe with distressing around the edges. I have these Santa Claus, Old English Carol music with the snowflakes. I have this French Christmas, sorry, a French paper. And then in English, I have this old Christmas image. And then over it, I've collaged these hollies. Then I have a pattern in this other type of holly with the French vintage paper behind it. I have a Santa Claus collage paper. And then the other page has the poinsettias and jingle bells. So that's a set that's on there if you're interested in making maybe a December daily journal where you make a page for each day in December and keep track of all the fun things you do in December. That might be a good thing to have those for. And then the last thing I have are Christmas ribbon sliders. And these are the Santa Claus and the fun Christmas things, Jingle All the Way, up on the housetop, click, click, click. And there's actually 2 pages of those. And it's the same kind of way you make those. So that's another set if you want to have Christmas ribbon sliders only. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know those are all out there. And I thank you very much for watching my video.